Welcome to another LoLife Outdoors video. Today we head to Lake Alpine, California to do some catch and cook and camp. We're here at Lake Alpine, walking along this lake to get to my fishing spot. The water's up so high right now that I don't know how the fishing's gonna be, but I'll try it out before the campsite opens up. It's about 8 o'clock right now. The campsite opens up around 2, so let's go get some fish. I'm gonna try for crawdads later. Fish are jumping everywhere. Got both poles in the water. While we wait, hydrate. I saw it pulling. I knew it had something on there. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, I got a freaking log. Camp set up. Set up little trays. Got a pull ready. Then we go fishing later. But we got camp set up. We're ready to hang out and chill. Tent right there. Cheers. This is what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna flake this worm real quick. I don't know where I put the other worm, but I'm gonna flake the tail. The main part is the tail here. Go squirming. Put it out. Make sure you put it out outside of the worm. That way you're not getting dirt and stuff into your syringe. Oh shit. Just fucked that up. Okay, now we're gonna set this one out. Now we have another one to set up. I'm gonna set this one out over on this side. That one can stay just right here. We can go ahead and send this bad boy out. Look how it's floating like that. That's how you like it. Let's send this bad boy out there. We're gonna catch some fish today. While I'm waiting for the fish to bite. Hey, while we wait, hydrate. Cheers. It's crawdad, so I'm gonna set up this trap right here with the bait bag. I'm gonna toss it out and see if we can't catch some crawdads. I got 2 traps. I got this one too that we'll set up too. I'm gonna get this one started with some bacon, some hot dogs. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. There, big bag. Get a couple hot dogs right here. Break it up real quick. Just some bacon. I don't know where my knife is, but we just gonna use this. And real quick, a couple pieces of bacon in there. Toss that bad boy right out there. Truck. Throw that. Walk in the water right here. Woo wee. Kind of cold. So you can't catch them crawdad. This crawfish right here. They got one right there. That's what we talking about right there. I got a stringer over here. There you go. Brent-in-law right here. Nice little rainbow. You using a worm?
Yeah.
Worm?
Yep.
Yeah, you know that's the best thing. Alright, I got my stringer over here. I'm gonna set up this crawfish trap. He hooked up right there. I'm gonna set up this crawfish trap. Here. See, it opens up just like that. We got the bait traps already in here. Brother-in-law got one over there. That's where normally I would be at. So I got my pole over here. We gonna get something. Way we hydrate. Shit. There's a fish on. That's a fish on. Hell yeah. That's how we do it. My spot right here. Oh yeah, we on. Yes, sir. Oh shit, I got a catfish. Bro, I got a catfish. You want it or not? I'm gonna let it go. I got me a little catfish. Yeah, there's catfish out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Let him go, he took off. So, we here for trout and crawdad. Yes sir, on the board, on the board. Oh, fish on. Oh, he's biting.
You got it.
Got him. Let's go. Hell yeah. That's two, I got the catfish, now I got this one. Oh, that's a trout, he's jumping. He's jumping. Oh yeah. Well, that's a good size one too.
Little guy?
No, he's a good size. That way he's gutting it too. Let's go.
Your turn next.
They eating there. Fish on in this one. Oh yeah, I feel a nibble. There's the pole. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh no, no! Stepped off.
Right there.
We did end up catching two nice size rainbow trout, but unfortunately there was no crawfish. We then head back to camp, start getting ready for dinner. Just got up. Got this new sleep system here. Perfect. I'm gonna go through it. Go here. Things on. Breakfast.
Connect the hole over there and
Hot
pull it
wings.
all over here. And
Breakfast sausage.
huh?
Silver steak with some grilled onions. Shaken up with the juices. Give it a little gravy. Get on out of here. Maybe go do some fishing. Got me the Kelty Cosmic 20 down bag. That's my sleeping bag that I use. This pillow I got on Amazon. I forgot what brand it is. The only bad thing with this pillow is that it does have the strap, but I don't think it fits on my sleeping pad. So maybe a smaller one. It is very comfortable though. So we got that. This is the sleeping pad. Is the Trackology. Yeah, Trackology Ultralight 80. It's a 4-inch pad, so it's super comfortable. And then I also got this little closed foam pad because I noticed that my sleeping pads keep on popping. This tent, Ozark Trail. It's like my first tent that I bought since I've been backpacking. About 9 or 10 years ago. On this side of the lake, there's a dam over there. We were over there camping. Got the worm set up. Set up power bay on this one. Carolina rig. I'm gonna toss it in on this side. See what we get around here. Oh, I missed it. Oh no, I think I still got it. I missed it. Dang. Yanked it too. Yeah. Damn it. Taking my line. Yeah, I lost it though. This is the power bay I'm using. Bought at the store. They had me $12. Had to pull in, put it right back in. Hopefully I'll get him this time. Oh, the baby trout. Short walk back to the parking lot. Didn't get one, missed that one, so we head on out of here, get home. See you next time.